This is Series 1, Episode 43, and all I'm going to say is what a difference a day makes when you're trading. Crazy. This is the monthly price action. As you know, those that are watching the videos, I don't like this reversal signal, so that's kind of got me nervous a little bit, but I also cannot ignore what is in front of me, otherwise you miss the move. So if I go to the daily chart, I can clearly see that we're clear of this red mark, which is the major low, so that's very positive. We've got the follow through on this price action. It all looks really good. All I would say is, if I draw this Fibonacci level in, I know this is slightly more advanced, but you can see how price is already struggling with this 76.4% retracement level. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I'm just pointing it out that there's a bit of resistance to get through first, so we may see some selling, a little bit of selling before we can move higher, but because this stuff doesn't often just move straight up in really fast, it often moves slowly, so just keep your eye on that. But I do believe we're back in a bull market now on the Nasdaq. The reason to back that up is if you look at the Dow Jones daily, look at the price action here. We've clearly taken out that major high now with conviction, follow through, and the S&P 500, we just hit the major high there, and price has just touched it and retraced it a little bit. But if all three indices are going in the same direction, that is really nice to see. That was a bit that was very difficult for me, because the Nasdaq was dropping, the other two were rising, showing that there was money flowing out of technology. But back to the Nasdaq, look at it. We know we got a bit of resistance to get through. As long as we stay clear of this red, that's why I've made it red, so it's really easy for you to see, we should be all good. Now, I will be doing another video shortly, so if you see the words stock trade alert on one of my videos, that means that is a high probability setup. And I've spent a lot of time researching through hundreds and hundreds of stocks, thousands in fact, to find that stock. And I'm trying to get it on your radar as a possible trade setup. So I will be doing one of those trades shortly, and that's why I'm doing this video slightly early. In episode 40 I predicted precision drilling. Have a look at that today. And also have a look at episode 37, Flagstar Bank. Those are the two stocks where I started doing these stock trade alerts, where I've given actual trades, entry and exit points, and take profits. And that's really hard to do, and no one really does that on YouTube, I'm sure of it. So look out for those guys, stock trade alerts, and there will be one coming for the next hour once I've finished it. So I wish you the best of luck, and I'll speak to you on that video shortly.